In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the Forex Sessions Indicator on TradingView. Whether you're new to trading or have been at it for a while, getting the right indicators in place is crucial for optimizing your trading strategy. Today, we'll walk through the steps to set up the Forex Sessions Indicator, which will help you understand market hours better and make informed trading decisions. To begin, you'll want to head over to the TradingView website. TradingView is an incredibly popular platform that provides charts and indicators for a variety of financial markets, making it an essential tool for any trader. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice a menu at the top. We're going to focus on accessing their charting capabilities, so go ahead and click on Products. Within the Products section, look for Super Charts and click on that option. Super charts are an advanced feature of TradingView that allows you to conduct in-depth analysis of the financial market data using various tools and indicators. It's a highly useful area of the platform where most of your trading technicals will take place. After accessing the super charts, draw your attention to the top bar of the page. You'll see a tab labeled Indicators. Click on this tab to open the Indicators menu. The Indicators menu is where you can find all sorts of technical tools to assist in your analysis, including the one we're interested in today. Now that you're in the Indicators menu, it's time to locate the specific tool you need. In the search bar, type the word Session. This is the quickest way to find the Forex Sessions indicator you're after. TradingView will filter the results as you type, and you'll soon see the options related to session indicators pop up. Once you see the list of results, select the session indicator that best suits your needs. TradingView offers multiple options, so feel free to choose one that aligns with your trading strategy. Each of these indicators will display the market sessions in a slightly different manner, depending on its configuration. After choosing your preferred indicator, you should close the search menu to clear up some space on your screen. Simply click on the X icon at the top right corner of the menu. With the session indicator now visible on your chart, it's time to adjust the settings to your liking. Look for a small settings icon next to the indicator on your chart and click it. This will open the configuration menu. Here, you can customize the appearance and data of the sessions indicator. Finally, after making your personalized adjustments, hit the OK button to apply your settings. Your Forex Sessions indicator is now set up on TradingView, ready to provide you with comprehensive market hour data to enhance your trading decisions. And there you have it, a complete setup of the Forex Sessions indicator on TradingView. With this tool, you can better visualize the market activity and sessions, which is vital for efficient trading. Happy trading, and may your charts guide you to wise decisions.